Today we would like to discuss which are the timings when our dua and our prayers are accepted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There are at least 12 occasions. The first one, the time between adhan and iqama. It is stated in Tirmizi hadith that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accepts those dua. As well as when you are making a sujood in the salah, you make 2 sajda. So once you make 1 sajda, when you are sitting down, then that's a time the dua which has been made, the state of sujood, the dua has been accepted. Third, after obligatory or the fard salah, whatever the dua that you make, it is accepted. During Friday, the whole day, your duas are accepted. It's mentioned in Bukhari. And one of the most important time is the tahajjud time, which is the last 1/3 portion of each night. Before Salatul Fajr, if you get up and make 2 rakat of tahajjud and make the dua, Allah will accept that. And on Thursday after sunset, when the Friday night starts, whatever the dua that you make, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will accept. 7th is at the time of iftar, just before opening the fast, while you are fasting. The dua that you make, Allah accepts. I'm sure you remember the night of power, Al-Laylatul Qadr, which can be 21, 23, 25, 27 and 29 odd nights during the month of Ramadan. Number 9 is after finishing the Quran, the whole Quran, when you make the dua, that duas are accepted. Number 10, as soon as you see the Kaaba when you go for Umrah or Hajj, and whatever the dua that you make, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accepted. Number 11 is the 9th of Zul Hijjah, the day of Arafah. On that day, the duas of the Hujjaj, as well as the duas of the people, those who are at home, this is being accepted. Last but not the least, is when you are doing the jihad for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and whatever the dua you are making during your jihad, it has been accepted. Thank you very much.